was attacked, robbed, and stabbed. I went to make my hair that day. I went out to make my hair. So on my way coming back, I came back late actually. And this happened in Abuja, Karo precisely, after Karo Market. I entered this keke. We were two in that keke, I and one other man. So we sat at the both extremes of the keke. I sat at one extreme and the man sat at the other extreme. So we were moving and man, he had someone at his back, a passenger at his back. So they gradually came by the keke that we were in. But before then, my family called me and I wanted to return the call to tell them I was on my way because it was already late. So I picked the call from inside the keke, not outside, for safety reasons. So I think while I raised my hand to answer that call, the bikemen from the other side of the keke dragged me out of the moving keke. Yes, that night, and unconsciously I didn't know why they were dragging me. So I was trying to help myself to withhold, save myself and also save the phone. So I think they felt threatened, thinking I was dragging the phone with them. So they stabbed me on the floor there. I unconsciously left them and the phone on the floor. So they left me on the main road and drove off. So I was there just crying, bleeding, and I didn't know I was on the main road till I saw a light coming from afar. I had to roll out of the road so I don't get crushed by a car. So rolling out of the road, I started begging the bikemen. Some of them were just there watching me. I was begging, please take me out of this scene. You can even catch those people if you carry me out of this scene. No, I was begging and begging, so nobody wanted to help. So as I kept bleeding there and begging, one good Samaritan just drove in front and asked me what happened. I explained the incidents to him. So he didn't want to get involved in the scene, but I had to beg that I was a couple, that please, I'm innocent, just take me out of here. So that was how I was driven home and to the hospital. So even the doctors were saying I was a lucky child because that cut didn't enter my stomach. It would have been a different story. And the most important thing is that I'm alive. I am alive and I'm back. Please join me. Thank God for life. Life is very precious. So let us preserve it and keep praying for our country, Nigeria. Thank you very much. I'm still Chioma Ibeleche.